beautiful soul. My spirit guides wanted me to record a video in a different manner, and they wanted me to share with you that how, in the last few hours, they had me sit down in front of my inner child picture, and I want to share this exercise with you as well. That you take your inner child's picture and look into the eyes of it, look into the eyes of it, and do it for at least 2 weeks, and you will see something. Okay. And today this, and I have been doing this exercise for long time now, and my creative expression, I became whimsical in my, super magical in my how I dress, and just like in my power as well. In my today, there was like, I used to be somebody who would do anything to get love, a little bit of affection, false affection, false attention from a man. Okay. And today, the way I walked in my power without looking at this guy who was trying to, play games with me. Anyway, so, and today my spirit guides did something very different. And by the way, this guy that I'm saying that playing games with me is not actually playing. I understand his inner child, and I actually prayed to Lord Hanumanji to bless him a lot, truly, because I don't know his story. He looks very hardworking, but we all have our own things going on. We all have emotional issues. So I really just want him to do the best in his life. Truly, my intention is that he just receives the best from the God. But it's like it's just about me taking stand for myself, energetically. Earlier I would do anything for validation, but not now. My mother from the heaven, the trees, the mountains, the rivers, they have been my company. I have been spending, like I was praying that Mother Earth keep me with you. So I had spent, and they kept me with them. Okay. And the way they have been guiding me, leading me, today my spirit guides, I was keeping my candle here and looking at my inner child and listening to this song called what is this song called? I'll be there, all children. I'll be there by, how do I place, how is this? Yeah. I'll be there, all children, by all we hold. And and suddenly it was like my mother's spirit or something. It came, and it's like, look at yourself in the mirror. So I was sitting, first I was staring at my inner child over here, then I was looking at myself in my own eyes, and sitting with the mirror. And just, I miss my mother, there's this deep grief. And when I look at my social media, how hard I have worked, and I don't know where it is all leading. Where am I going? Am I going to be successful? Am I going to be, but I know God has such magical plan. I can feel it. I can just feel it, But yes, it is frustrating, definitely. Very frustrating. However, I want to share with you, get my journaling course, because writing does so much for you. Like, through journaling, it should be your daily practice and your next evolution of life. It's only gonna come, the wisdom that I have shared inside that course, it's only gonna come through that. You need to know what I have shared in that in that course. So get my journaling course, and get my ebook as well, energetic activation for
bring magic in your life with my magic paintings. This painting says, dearest God, dearest Mother, thank you for guiding me. Thank you for leading my way. When you live around this painting, the way you start to move in this world very bravely, confidently, courageously, you would find yourself becoming most braver, bolder, confident version of yourself, and it's just so much divine guidance and peaceful energies into your life. Super powerful. Super. You can't miss the magic. You can't. I'm telling you, you cannot. Okay. Also, you can hire me and I will channel a customized magic painting uniquely for you. A painting that will bring lot of success, high vibrations, good energies, power, love, and like sacred, peaceful, pure energies into your life. It's so powerful and a
brand new life, because the verses, the prayers, the intentions that I have shared inside that ebook, they will move you in a different manner. You will start to move in this world so powerfully, so in your power, like you're gonna become like the hot commodity. Okay. And the verses, the prayers, the intentions that I have set in this, like mentioned in this ebook, they have also moved me through like some of the darkest and toughest period. These intentions, these prayers, the verses that I have shared, they were the source of my strength. Okay. In my darkest times I received them, and I have very beautifully put it in this book, so get that as well. And another thing that I want to remind you is that you deserve people in your life, be it partner or be it friends, who are so sure about you. They are not like one day loving, next day very cold. No, you deserve love which is so calming, wherein you feel so safe. It's not some hot and cold energy. It's not some constant conflict. No, there is like the both you and other people, they are loving on you. The love will feel calm. It will feel calm. So even if there is differences of opinion, they will be resolved in such a calming manner. And that's why I am so grateful with this incident that just happened in the last 2 weeks. If I would not have been going through these incidents, the unhealthy competition, the jealousy, the distraction, sometimes we want to, it's thrill. For the thrill we can get into just certain kind of energy dynamics with people, and just for the thrill of it. But like, because I went through this incident, it got cleared from my psyche. So be grateful for the circumstances that you are in, even if they are not fulfilling. They are there for a purpose. Okay. And we will learn through them. We will become our better version through these circumstances. And love to all people, whoever I am talking about in this video, like the guy that I mentioned or any other people, I truly, from my heart, I love them, because they have been through a lot. Okay, so I understand. But and love to their inner child, so much love to their inner child, and without them I wouldn't have learned the lessons that I have learned about love, about life. So I'm so grateful, truly grateful for them. And you choose the love that is very calming for you. Okay, only that love. How when you go around trees, mountains, rivers, when you are sitting in nature, you feel calming. That sensation should be present in your friendships and relationship, the close circle. Don't let yourself internally also get distracted to get validation, to get thrill. No, train yourself to be in the calm, and you want real validation, it comes when you sit in front of the mirror and looking in your own eyes. The validation, true validation, it comes when you look at your inner child over here. You know, every day I remind her, my inner child, that her creative creations, what she has created, has been so powerful for me. It has been so powerful for me, and I truly appreciate it. I need it. That's how I am able to show up every single day. It's not because I am getting results. It's not because of anything else. Of course, yes, God, Mother Earth inspires me, but it's like when I look into my inner child and tell her that her creative creations have been the source of so much good energy in my life, she wants to show up more and more, share herself more and more. You know? Yeah, and I know rest will happen. I know the breakthrough, the financial path, everything. God will take care. God is taking care right now. This is so beautiful.